What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's Dennis from Simplify Investing. I'm back at you with another video. Today we're going to talk about how to raise your credit score really quickly. Mine happened in about a month. I rose about 20 points. And now if you're new here, please hit that red button down below. Please subscribe, smash that thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's get started. So my goal has always been to build my credit score as soon as I turned 18. When I was 18, on my birthday, I literally went to the bank and applied for a credit card. My dad told me, hey, you'll be lucky if you get 500 bucks. The first credit card I got was the Bank of America Cash Rewards card. I put a picture of that right here. They ended up giving me about a $5,000 credit limit. I'm not sure why I got this lucky for my first credit card, but I believe it was because I was banking with them since I was about 16. And I had quite a bit amount of money in that bank account, so I think they saw that and they gave me a pretty generous credit line. This was back in 2015. After that, I continuously started building up my cards, and I now have about 8 personal cards and about 2 business cards. This has helped me definitely grow my credit score a lot, and I also have an auto loan under my car, which I think also helped my credit score. But this month, without anything else changing my credit score, all I did was I had someone who had a card. It was a no annual fee Chase Freedom card. She's had it for about 14 years, never missed a payment. I think she has about 1% utilization. So I had her add me as an authorized user. All she did was call Chase. She said, hey, I want to add an authorized user. They asked, okay, what's their first and last name? And I think they asked for their address as well, which was my address. And after that, they sent out a card in about a week. We activated the card, and within a month, I saw the difference in my credit score. I'm going to put a few different screenshots on the screen from Credit Karma. I know Credit Karma isn't the most accurate, but it's the only way I really check my credit because it's free and it doesn't do a soft pull on my credit. So here we go, boom. The credit's definitely seen a really big change, and there's no way that this authorized user method didn't work because I literally didn't do anything different. I didn't apply for any loans. I didn't cancel any cards. I literally did everything I usually do, keep my utilization super low. I didn't pay off any like outstanding debt that I had. Everything was pretty much the same. So I would recommend this to anyone who knows anybody, a personal family member or a loved one, anyone that you really trust that has a card in good standing with the bank. Like I said, for my case, it was JP Morgan. She had 14 years of never missing a payment, good history, and she had about $14,000 limit on the card. So if you can find someone to trust you in the same situation, I would take it. Personally, what I did was, hey, I told her, hey, keep the card. I'm not interested in knowing the numbers on the card. I'm not interested in any of that, because anything that you spend on this card that says your name on it under someone else's account will go on their credit. So they would be the ones in charge of paying it off. So just out of a trust and respect manner, I just told them, hey, keep the card. Just please activate it. I never want to see the card. I don't want to know anything about the card. Just please keep the account in good standing. And if the person's going to keep the card in good standing for this amount of time, in this case 14 years, I'm pretty sure a few more years isn't going to hurt them. Now, one thing you do have to keep in mind is if this person ends up turning around and becoming in a bad standing with the bank, this will also take a hit on your credit score. Anything that happens on this person's credit card will hurt yours or benefit your credit score. So that's something to keep in mind if maybe somebody loses their job and ends up maxing out their credit cards, etc., etc. My suggestion would be is to find someone, of course, that you trust and love, that will be able to add you as an authorized user who's had a card for a while, preferably a no annual fee. The reason why I say no annual fee is because they would have no reason to really cancel it. If someone has, for example, the Chase Sapphire Reserve for 10 years and then they lose their job or they don't feel like they're going to travel because of the pandemic, they end up canceling the card, and that's something that's going to really hurt your credit score. So it might benefit you temporarily, but it will come back to bite you. So I really think that the best way to approach the situation is just to find a card with no annual fee. Now, if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. Please hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and if you're interested in more videos from me regarding stocks, real estate investments, credit cards, and personal finance, please subscribe. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos on this channel. And again, I have an Instagram down below. If you want to go ahead and follow that and ask me any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you.